Hello and welcome on this video tutorial for Firestone. Firestone is a manufacturer specialized in waterproofing and more specifically in roof systems. Today we have 40 new product pages divided into EPDM and TPO systems. Each product page has a description, several links that goes to the manufacturer's website. I can go directly into the product page if I want. I can also see and read the installation guidelines. I can also watch videos on how to install the product, and I can also download the Word files that will go into details into the system specifications. Also, I have other types that hold different information, like beam classification, material, or also regions where the product is sold. I can also have several pictures of the systems and contact the local persons. I can send a mail or simply leave my number to be called back. Also, I can add this product as a favorite or follow the brand to be up to date when he has new products. Finally, I can download a Revit file. The Revit file here is for the EPDM systems. You have one file per type of roof. So if you want to have the TPO system, you will simply have to go into a TPO page to download the Revit file. Now that those files are downloaded, I will be able to open them in Revit. Let me open my software and drag and drop both files into it. As you can see, I am using Revit 2018 because this is the version on which the files were made. When I open one of the files, I will be able to see directly on the landing page different types of roof. On the TPO range, as I can see, there is 7 types of roofs. On the EPDM range, it will be the same. The differences between the roof types are about the layer composition, their thickness, and also their performance, simply because they fit different type of use case. Now I can go into my 3D mode and select one of the roof and go into its type properties, and I can see different type of information and parameters, and also when I switch between the different Firestone roof, I can see the U and R value change along with their thickness. Now let's go into our project in order to change this roof. As you can see, this is a commercial project that is perfect for Firestone systems. By clicking on the roof, I can see that there is not much information except its thickness. For the sake of the demo, I will simply reset the shape before importing one of the Firestone roof. Now let's go into the EPDM file and import one of the roofs. There are roughly 2 ways of importing a roof in Revit from files to another. The first one is to copy one of the roof and paste it into the project that I want to import it. Once it is done, I can go into the family tree, and under roof and basic roof, I can see that the roof is imported. If I go into the type properties, I can also see that the properties and all the parameters are also imported. But I believe the second solution is the best one. It is by transferring the project standards. You first have to select the source files and then only the roof types. By doing so, I will be able to import all the roof types from my source file. Now that it is done, I can see that all my TPO roofs are in my project, and also that all the properties have been transferred. Now let's select the existing roof. We can see it has an area of 1600 square meter and a thickness of 252 millimeters. Now that all the Firestone systems are available into my project, I can switch between all of them and see which one fits best. As we can see, the mechanically attached system has the thickness that is the closest one, so I will simply choose it in order to change the existing roof into the Firestone roof. And now we can see that it has been changed and has all the performances and properties of the roof. It is really as simple as this, simply choosing a roof, copy-pasting it or transferring it, and then changing the roof. That is all for this video, and I hope that you will be able to enjoy all the Firestone building products. See you!